Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Welcome to New Fields by Philinbas Land. So tara mga kabahay, let's begin our drive tour in New Fields Phase 1 and Phase 2. Tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin ang Phase 2 ng New Fields kung saan located yung aming model unit. So ito po yung pinaka-entrance ng Phase 2. Right now, nasa land development po ang Phase 2. And yung model unit namin is nandito po banda. So tara mga kabahay, ikutin natin ang amenity area ng New Fields. So yung mga kabahay, naikutin natin ang amenity area ng New Fields. So for New Fields, meron po tayong basketball court, multipurpose clubhouse, swimming pool, and children play area. So yung mga kabahay, welcome back again. I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Philinbas Land. So yun na nga, natapos natin mag-drive tour sa New Fields Phase 1 and Phase 2. Pinakita ko po yung amenity area and yung aming model unit and kung ano yung updates sa Phase 2. And yun mga kabahay, kung interested kayo and kung naghahanap kayo ng pre-selling house and lot package here in Teresa Rizal, it's only 2.5 kilometers away from Antipolo Town proper. You may contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye!